Hello and what is up guys, and it is Lord Lamborghini back here. So today I am going to be showing how to make 3 paper planes. So I made 2 of each. So these 2 are known as the Undertaker. This was an old one. This I just made a few minutes ago. So these 2 are known as the Jet. The Jet here is the old one. And this is the new one. Here is the first messenger, I think. Yeah, it says the messenger. And here is the second. So I'm going to be testing these. And if this video gets 10 views, 2 likes, and let's say about 3 comments, I will make a video about making these planes. The messenger is the hardest. I'm just saying, if you want to make the messengers, your nails will need to be strong because there is a lot of folding. It is actually hard for me to also crease it. So let's try the messenger. Whoa, whoopsies, but that failed. That's why we always have another. Whoopsies. Just kidding. Yeah. Ready. Cool. That was nice. Here is our first jet. That went nice. And here is our second. That also went nice. Here is our first Undertaker. Oh, did you just see that? It just went like, it always goes like whoosh in the air. That's why it's called the Undertaker. Oh, well that failed. Let's try it again. And look how it landed on the bottom, on the bottom, on the bottom, on the bottom top. Here is our winner. Here is our winner. The Jet has won the challenge. Haha, there was no challenge. I'm just joking. Looks like let's try this for another try. Did that survive? Did it survive? Okay, so that is, and remember, I'll make how to make them if I get 10 views, 2 likes, 10 views, 2 likes, and 3 comments. Bye.